coral reef is not a garden. It is not a collection of rocks covered in pretty life. It is a single, coordinated, chemical thinking system, and it has been running quietly beneath the ocean surface for over 500 million years, doing things no garden has ever done. It farms, it evicts, it sends distress signals across kilometers of open water, and every single piece of it is connected. What looks like a backdrop for fish is actually one of the most sophisticated living networks on the planet, and almost nobody talks about it that way. So here is what is actually happening down there. A single coral polyp is a tiny animal, soft body, hard skeleton beneath it, no brain, no eyes, no nervous system in the way we picture one. It is about the size of a pencil eraser, and it looks almost helpless. But that polyp is never alone. It buds. It clones itself again and again, building a colony of genetically identical units, all fused to each other through a shared living tissue called the choanosarc. That tissue is not decoration. It is a communication highway. Chemical signals travel through it constantly. Alarm signals, resource signals, coordination signals, moving from polyp to polyp across the entire colony in seconds. One polyp detects a threat. The whole colony responds. That is not a garden. That is a network. And that is just one coral head. A full reef is thousands of those colonies pressed together across kilometers of ocean floor, each one chemically broadcasting into the water around it, each one receiving signals from its neighbors. The water above a healthy reef is not empty. It is dense with molecular information, a chemical conversation happening at a scale we are only just beginning to read. Researchers studying the Great Barrier Reef off Australia have found that corals release specific chemical compounds in response to specific threats. Damage from a grazing fish produces one chemical signature.